Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to start selling on Depop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar type in Depop and look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button and follow the on-screen process to simply download the app. And once downloaded, all you gotta do is tap on open and then create an account if you don't have one, or simply log into your account if you have one. Then once logged in, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon or just simply tap on sale on the bottom of the screen, and here what you need to do is tap on start selling. Then once you do that, set up gather items you want to sell like clothes, accessories, vintage, handmade, etc. Clean and photograph them in good lighting. Take clear photos from multiple angles and write honest and detailed descriptions. Then lastly, list your first item, then set your shipping preferences and publish to your listing. You can also promote your shop by sharing your listings on Instagram, TikTok or other socials, and follow all the sellers and engage with the community. You can also manage sales and shipping. When you sell, you'll get notified, pack items carefully and ship promptly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.